Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel here. So I wear my SummerSlam t-shirt from 2021. It's in Las Vegas, Nevada. So let's see, we can unbox my action figure. It got ripped off. We don't want to rip off. We see what happens with here, right? Sorry. Excuse me. Sorry. Here, I'll show you. Look, see, look. You see that box right there? Look at that. It's ripped. I know, but we don't want a ripped box like this, so I decided I had to open this, but I know I'm so sorry, but it costs lots of money. But sometimes it got ripped, and sometimes we never know about this. So let's see, we can do this right now about what else we can do. Okay. See, look. So I tape it, and it's coming off. It's dirty. It was dusty a bit. So I guess I'm sorry it's too expensive to do this, but we want the other box is not ripped. So I have to open this where it's ripped, but not other box. Says so I do the normal stuff on it with the regular stuff in here. So I'm sorry I had to open this, and I know it's cost lots of money. To save money. I'm sorry, but I can't deal with this anymore. It's just ripped. So I'm sorry I had to do this. I can open it right now, okay? It's too expensive. I'm sorry. Everybody at home, everyone watching this at home, I'm sorry I had to open this, but it's just got ripped, old, dusty. I don't know what that is, so I guess I had to do this like this. Hey, here it is. And here it goes. I hope so he will not get yelled at me a lot. Right? I hope not. If he yelled at me, that means I think he told me about we're not gonna buy a box never again. But I don't know why he made me do this. But I know he's just treating me like trash a lot, like this. But I'm not a baby anymore. I'm 27 right now. I'm old enough to make my own decisions. But yeah, every day who picks me up on Tuesday? Every day. And someone would not let me buy action figures. But maybe one day I'm gonna buy it by myself without my rec therapy. Yeah, that's right. I'm gonna do this for her own good. And I would never like that at all. And I work with this company to open my own store, and I'm gonna sell that Legos and give it to somebody else, and someone who likes it. Not all of them, right? So sometimes, okay? I'm gonna do it right now. I'm doing it. I take out Legos away from me. Away from this crap thing. Yeah, we can help build it. It's sunk. But I just can't do this anymore. She made me play games a lot. She made me do Legos a lot. I don't like it. I'm not was born to play board games or card games and Legos. I was never born. I was born to play my electronic games like Xbox 360, PlayStation 5, PlayStation 2. I always have that for years. I have always have action figures. See, I'm not a Lego person. I'm an action figure. I was an action figure when I was 4 years old or 16. I know, but I was born with it and she made me do it. I don't care. I want to end. Sorry. I want to end all this. She's not gonna pick me up anymore. Literally, for 3 more months. For 3 more months in here, I'm gonna go to the store, go to Target, go to Walmart, and buy me some action figure with my grocery stuff in here, and some video games that I never give up. And she made me do this. We're not buying Legos. We're not. But she said, we not buying action figures. Guess what? We're not dating. We're just best friends. Yeah, I know. Like we. I know, but sorry. It's hard to make this defense. I just want to do it my own way. No more fun stuff like this. No more. She yelled at me. And she's raising my voice at me. She's raising it. She's faking it. And I don't like that at all. No. But the truth is, I think I gotta deal with this for once for all. Maybe I need to get a newer national therapy who lets me do it, or maybe not. If they let me. I know, but sorry. And I don't know what's going on, what happens. You see, it's not really called. See, coughing. Subway. Subway is dog food. It makes me throw up. And she made me go eat healthy meals when I don't like to eat. My favorite place is McDonald's. And I like Arby's, Jack in the Box, Chili's. I don't like butter and glaze. I don't like Subway. And I don't like Jimmy Daniels. And she make me do this. She's the only one to make me do it. That's it. No more fun stuff. No more. I want to end this. For real. From now on, he's good for watching. And Nancy, we can open this. Alright, so let's calm down for a little bit and see what we can do, okay? I don't want to deal with this no more. I don't want to talk about it. Right, here we go. Oh, let's open it. Let's go. Okay. Yep. That. And of course. Okay. Sorry how they do it because it's good. So See what we got here. This is the head skin right there. That's pretty cool, right? And the other head skin, that's right here, right? Oh, whoa, oh, yeah, look, I said fucking off. South African waters. Whoa, Boom. But that's Texas shut off. Okay, man, come on. Let's do this. Oh! I said, oh. Okay, like poop. Oh man, I like sapphires a lot. Yeah, that's pretty awesome. Let's get the other head spin out. Okay, okay. Look at that. Thumbs up. Okay, that. Okay. And we got 2 of those head skins. Look at that. One of those stuff. Let's put it in the box. Yeah. Yeah. And now, thank you for watching, and see you on the next video. But it's going to be epic, and see you on the next one. We love you guys. Bye. And here guys, poop. Come on.